In this video, I'll show you how to switch between dark mode and light mode in Notion. We'll compare how each mode looks and feels, and I'll show you two ways to switch. First, using a keyboard shortcut, and second, through Notion settings. This is Notion in light mode. It's clean, bright, and works really well during the day or in well-lit environments. And this is dark mode. It's easier on the eyes at night, reduces glare, and many people prefer it for long work sessions. Both modes work exactly the same. It's purely about comfort and preference. The fastest way to switch between dark mode and light mode in Notion is using a keyboard shortcut. You can use Control plus Shift plus L on Windows or Command plus Shift plus L on Mac. Just press the shortcut and Notion instantly switches themes. This is perfect if you switch modes often throughout the day. If you prefer using the settings, here's how to change it manually. Just go to the sidebar right here and click Settings here. Now, on the pop-up window, click on the Preferences right here and go to the Appearance right here, and then choose Light Mode or Dark Mode. You can switch between both anytime, and the change applies instantly. There's no right or wrong choice here. Use light mode for daytime work or bright spaces, and dark mode if you work at night or want less eye strain. And since switching themes is instant, you can always change it whenever you want. That's how you switch between dark mode and light mode in Notion, using both the shortcut and settings. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I read and reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.